guys, if you want to make this tiramisu cake, keep watching and subscribe. So first you're going to boil some water. You need coffee. A tiny pinch of vanilla extract. And I'm going to pour the water in a grown up so that's off the camera. Four teaspoons. One drop. Smell the coffee. I do like Tim Hortons coffee.
Now you mix it up.
You guys are needing some mascarpone cheese. And some Cool Whip. And if you guys are using a KitchenAid, use this equipment, or you guys, it's your choice. You guys could just use it with and your hand, anything. It's your choice. But you're gonna open this up, obviously. This is 475 gram thingamajig, and yeah, and we put half of the thing. You're gonna need to mix it properly and make it smooth and make it to low speed. As you guys can see, it's all creamy. It's 1 liter of Cool Whip. You're gonna put all this in the bowl. Oh my god. The fun.
Hi guys.
Snake of your. Look guys, now the cream is mixed. You need the lady fingers. You need the coffee that we made, remember? And you need the whipped cream that we made. And let's just combine everything together. Okay. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, dip it nicely in, by the way. Okay, dip it nicely and put it in. we're gonna put the whipped cream. Now you're gonna add a second layer. Third packet. Guys, now the layer is done. Now we're just gonna add whipped cream. Pretty sure. Hey guys, last layer. Now we're just gonna put some whipped cream. Guys, final touches now. Guys. You guys just need to sprinkle it now. It's a big mess. Try this recipe and please subscribe, share it with your friends, and bye.